Welcome to Scarlett and Natalia's Toys Review. Now I'm going to start.
Our book today is I Love My Mommy. This is a wonderful book. It has a hole here in the middle which shows a flower. So every time we turn the page, there is a hole in the page. So here we go. Let's start reading. Mommy cow, I love it how you taught me to moo. So here's a bunch of flowers, a gift from me to you. Mummy frog, upon our log, here's a flower and a cuddle. You hop and jump all day with me in ponds and lakes and puddles. Mummy cat, I love it that we play with yarn together. I picked these flowers just for you. I hope they last forever. Mommy bear, I'd like to share our final drop of honey. These pretty flowers are for you. You make each day so sunny. Mommy croc, I have some blocks to give you with these flowers. I want to show you my deepest thanks. You've played with me for hours. Mommy sheep, before I sleep, please read my favorite book. To share my love, here are some flowers. Come close and take a look. And here's the last page. Look at that. Mommy bee, come with me. You won't believe your eyes. Bzzz. Oh, there's another page. Look at this. Flowers, flowers everywhere. A wonderful surprise. And that is the end of our book. Look at the wonderful bees and the flowers. Okay, that is the end of the book. I love my mommy.
Please subscribe to our channel. Thumbs up. Bye.
Bye.